guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about this amazing air purifier from Shark by Shark, which I bought from Costco. It's been like over a year, I would say. I don't remember exactly when did I buy this, but I remember it's been over a year at least, because I've already changed one filter and also came with extra filter, so that was very good. And I like this purifier so much because this one has been a game changer for me. As you can see here, it gives a percentage of clean air. So as soon as you have a little bit of smoke in the house, if you're cooking something, just a little bit, you know, it catches it so fast and it gives that big noise saying that there's something going on. So if you have candle lit up, anything of that sort, it just catches really fast. So that's the reason, even if you are straightening your hair or, you know, curling your hair using any kind of heating products, it is going to turn that blue thing into orange and red. So this filter has been really good for me. I know I bought it, like, I think it was under $200 if I'm not wrong. It wasn't that expensive, but recently I went to Costco and then looked for the same one, but now Costco has another version. I think it's Shark, but I think it's a little expensive. It's like over $300. So that's the reason I decided to get another one, which was just a little lesser than 300, like around 130. And it is Winix, but this one's Shark, which I got a long time before. So I really love this air purifier. Anybody, if you are, I mean, I don't know, the one that Costco has right now should be better than this because it came back, I mean, it came after this purifier, but this one has been really, really good. I love this air purifier so much. And then I should have taken a video, but when this, when I had to change the filter, it gives you, it tells you that you need to change your filter. It was like black. I'm telling you, it's so crazy that if I hadn't used this air purifier, then I would have never known what is going inside my house. Really. And recently I have had my ear infections and stuffy nose for a long time, so it's all related. And I have two pets. One sheds a lot, another one also sheds, but not as much, the older one. So, and then, you know, allergies and springtime, summertime, they go out and everything else, right? So yeah, this causes, I mean, this purifier has been really a game changer. And if you guys are looking for one, I mean, I know it's expensive, almost like $350 right now, but I don't know about this version, okay? This one's a Shark Cleansense IQ. I don't know if that's going to help you guys, but nothing much to talk about this, but just wanted to come here and give you a quick review. Yeah, it's filters inside. I think you just have to yeah, turn it upside down to change the filter. Okay, you place your filter like that, and there's a little thing here. You gotta pull it out. So if you see the buttons here, they're all touch screen, and you can see this filter option is going to blink if you need to change your filter, and also the clean air, this sign is also going to be red. That's how you know you're going to change your filter. And it's very straightforward, and it has child lock and all the other stuff. So yeah, if you are looking to buy this Shark air purifier, Costco has it, but it's a little expensive right now. It has a different version of, like, there's a little bigger version, I think, but this one is also very good if you guys are looking for one. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll come back with another video next time. Don't forget to subscribe and help your girl out to get 1,000 subscribers. And also don't forget to like if you enjoyed watching this video and if it was helpful. See you next time. Bye.